So I reached in a mall around 10 a.m. and first the security checked my bag. You can see there are two securities standing over there, and they checked my bag because you know that whenever you reach in a mall, so the first thing that security check your bag, and then I went in, guys, and everywhere that whenever we go into the mall we feel the different kind of environment. The same I felt. And guys, so there are three floors to the mall. Let's see what is next. Then that I took, okay, so it is called escalator, but in a simple we say, we can see I took automatic stairs. Then I visited first and second floor. Okay, you can also see there are many shops. Okay, like whatever you want to purchase, you can purchase it, like guys, clothes and home appliances, electronic products and toys and many things. Yes, it is like a little bit costly, but it provides a good quality, and as compared to roadside shops. Okay, many people like to visit, all of us, like many people like to visit there in the malls, because we can save our time and we no need to rush here and there. Each and everything we can have at a one place, guys. Like I'm going to show you that there are shops. You can see there are shops, and the big shops, big area where there is no any rush like roadside shops. Whenever we see or whenever we watch or want to purchase anything at a roadside shop, so there are many rush. And also, if as compared to mall, you can see there are many activities for kids also, guys. Look at that inside the shop. There are many activities for children, so at a time that our children also can enjoy it. Okay, and I'm going to show you that the next is the food area. Okay, so you can see there are many things like food area. Also you can have whatever, like from pani puri to pizza, you can have anything whatever you want to eat. And so it is also good, a positive point. If you want to, if you have want to have a meal, so you can. Then can you see that on the floor and the ground floor, I'm going to show you the ground area. You see there are things like train and car for little kids. They charge something 100 rupees for a one ride of inside a mall, but it is also good activity for children. They enjoy a lot. And we have come at game zone. It is not only for kids but also or elder one. Anyone can play and enjoy themselves. I couldn't make a long videos, guys, here, because in some area of mall taking a videos are not allowed. So videos are not allowed, that is the videos are too short, but I recorded. And now, guys, we have come and I'm going to show you, and it is, you can see it is also part of game zone. Okay, and time zone, you can see the time zone. And now, guys, now we have come, and I am going to show you the most interesting part of the mall, which is everyone want to enjoy at least, or want to have experience at least once. Okay, yes, the box office. Okay, box office. Here you can enjoy the movie. Okay, I also saw one movie here, and guys, this movie would be my next topic for of English or English. to make a video, topic for English to make a video. So you can see there are posters and movies, and in theater it is a huge and attractive and very comfortable area for watching, or even a single paper on the floor, very clean and neat, and so you can enjoy the movie here. Great sound quality. Okay, watching movie also. So finally guys, taking all these experiences, I came down, and short and sweet I can say that we can do multiple activities at a time in a mall. So that is why, like, shopping, having a meal, entertainment, watching movies, many things we can do at a time. So that is why people like to rush in a mall. And so guys, the reason of making this video is that if you see in this video carefully, I discuss with you about whatever I did in a mall, and about I discuss about the mall. And you can also discuss like whatever you do in your daily routine. You can make a sentences, or you can speak with yourself or with others, whatever you do, or any other activities you do in your free time, or any holidays or weekdays. Speak yourself, or speak with others, so you can it in a simple English. Okay, no need to go fast and on advanced English, with a simple English. So it is a good practice. So hope you understood guys, and if you like this video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care guys, bye.